Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence.
OpenAI is a research lab building safe and powerful artificial intelligence for all of humanity. Founded in 2015, OpenAI's mission is to ensure AI benefits everyone, safely and responsibly.
From healthcare to space, OpenAI powers innovation with intelligence and ethics. ChatGPT is an AI that understands and talks like humans.
It reads, learns, and adapts, turning your questions into clear, useful answers. ChatGPT learns by reading billions of words and finding patterns.
With a prompt, ChatGPT creates poems, essays, even songs. AI can sense your tone and reply with empathy. Stuck in maths or science? Ask ChatGPT for instant help. Want to improve English? Practice with ChatGPT every day.
Ask anything. Learn everything. Anytime.
At Divya Jyoti School, your AI-powered future begins today.